This update, which has substantially improved the quality of texture generation. We first choose a Huji's picture as a demonstration. Using this update. First use Disable Albedo demo can see the generated model can eliminate roughly 50% of the highlights. But this mode, sometimes due to the calculation of highlights, resulting in the character rebuild is not enough. Using the raw texture demo again, you can see that the model almost directly uses the image as the texture. The highlights are not processed, so this mode has a better character rebuild. Finally, using Enable Albedo, you can see that the generated model has almost no highlights, and can calculate the basic physical color of the character, but this mode need more calculation. Now we download the model generated by Enable Albedo, we can see that the generated 2K texture is also very good, almost reaching the product level quality. The final need to choose what kind of mode, but also according to your needs to determine